Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with roof ladder, spare tire and carrier, water heater bypass, stabilizer jacks, outside speakers, solar power prep, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, triple slides, triple step entry, backup camera ready, LED exterior lighting, outside shower, ball bearing drawer guides, living area television, big corner shower, walk around queen bed, storage drawers under each booth, decorative kitchen backsplash, dual bedroom nightstands, high-rise faucet, bathroom cabinet with mirror, 3-burner cooktop, interior speakers, battery disconnect, linen cabinet, vanity with sink, over-the-range microwave, carbon monoxide detector, bath and a half. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.